Bengan and potato pairas. Hello, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor's Khazana. I'm Jyotsna and I'm here today to show you a recipe called Bengan Paira. This is a recipe of brinjal. I know everybody doesn't like brinjal, but this has been done for many years by my mother, and all of us who don't like eating brinjals also start liking this recipe. So let's see what we need to make Bengan Paira. Some brinjal, this long thin variety or the variety which is slightly thicker but not the one which we use for bharta. Some potato slices, these have been added so that those who don't enjoy brinjal so much can enjoy the potato slices. Oil for deep frying, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chaat masala. If you don't want to use chaat masala, you can add amchur powder, asafoetida, salt to taste, coriander leaves. Now to make this Bengan Paira, let's see what we have to do with the brinjal. We have to take the brinjal and cut it into thin slices. Cut the slices just before you're ready to cook the paira. Our brinjal slices are now ready. We heat oil in a kadhai for deep frying. We'll now add the brinjal slices to the oil. We'll fry the brinjal on medium or low heat so that it gets cooked nicely. While the brinjal is frying, let's mix all our masalas. We'll take some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, chaat masala, asafoetida, coriander powder and cumin powder. All these masalas need to be mixed nicely. Just taste it so that you know how it feels, because this is not going to be cooked. It's only going to be added on the top of the fried brinjal and potatoes. We'll keep this masala ready, so when we take out the brinjal and the potatoes from the oil, it has to be sprinkled immediately. Our brinjals are now getting slightly golden. Don't do the deep frying on very high heat, otherwise your brinjal will get brown and it will be undercooked from inside. Our brinjal is now done. We'll take it out on a tissue paper so that the excess oil is soaked up. We'll sprinkle this masala immediately while it's warm so that it gets stuck to the brinjal. We'll add coriander leaves also. Now we'll fry the potatoes. Similarly, the potatoes also will be fried until they are golden brown. This also on medium heat so that the potatoes get cooked from inside. The potatoes are now done. Let's take out the potatoes. We'll put it on top of the bengan so that the flavors go into each other. So now the masalas go on top of the potatoes. Now the coriander leaves. Our bengan and potato pairas are ready. Now we'll serve them. You can take a long tray and serve them alternate. One bengan, one potato. It looks really nice and it's a nice dish to be served during a meal. It goes like a side dish along with anything. It's a simple and nice and quick recipe. Bengan and potato pairas ready to be eaten.